Nanababaw Kabalen, welcome to Wherein, Pampanga.
For today's vlog, nandito tayo sa Newpoint, Angeles
Yes.
City, and titikman natin yung mga bagong sandwiches dito.
Actually, we are also to witness the grand opening ng Toasty's Egg Sandwich dito sa Angeles City.
Yes, naging uso na yung mga ganitong style of sandwiches. And sa tingin pa lang, talagang mapapatakam ka na.
This is actually their 5th branch.
Wow.
They are also opening 2 more in the near future. Then again, congratulations, Toasties.
I started conceptualize the business late 2021, but I opened the franchise of Toasty's Egg around March 2022. Hi everyone, I'm Army Camille Garcia, the brand owner of Toasty's Egg, and currently we already have 5 branches nationwide. We do have 2 in Cebu, 1 in Cavite, we also have 1 in Magalang, and this is our 5th branch, which is in Angeles.
Actually, in itself, this is a full meal, no? Meron tayong bread natin for your carbo, and then protein, and of course, yung vegetables natin. Ayan. Wow! This one's new. Medyo spicy nga siya. And a lot of herbs. Daming herbs nito.
Basically, we use the bread that is authentically used by the Korean market when it comes on the Korean egg wrap. But the rest of the meats that include inside is basically, ito yung mga gusto ng mga Filipino. So we do have beef bulgogi, we do have the K-pop, we also have crispy pesto, and the rest are American such as smoked bacon, and we also have the ham or the breakfast itself.
Siyempre, ito naman yung akin, yung kanilang bulgogi. Siyempre, sino bang hindi nakakakilala sa bulgogi? Alam naman natin kung gaano siya kasarap.
Korean favorite din.
Yes, and the same time, yung gamit nila dito, brioche bread. Ano? Ang laki. So, let's taste it. Wow.
Our client love the bulgogi, K-pop, and of course the smoked bacon. Kasi yung bacon namin hindi siya nag-shrink. So we definitely use the quality product or quality raw materials for us to able to provide a quality outcome para sa produkto namin. We are located here in Newpoint, lower ground, Picnier area po, Angeles City, Pampanga. You can contact us by Facebook page with our main Facebook page, Toasty's Egg, to entertain the queries regarding on franchising. We do have different packages that we could offer to you, and at the same time, we are flexible when it comes on terms and conditions.